Sometimes people think that when you are preparing for the exam, you should only keep study like whole day. But honestly, studying continuously for hours and long sittings literally makes you exhausted, tired at the same time. When we keep forcing ourselves to study without breaks, slowly we start feeling burnt out. If you are a student who are preparing for any kind of exam, I know you must relate to this, that feeling burnout is real. Our mind gets tired, we lose motivation, and sometimes we start just scrolling our phone, like unnecessarily, just to escape that burden or that boredom. What should I say? Like that pressure. That's why I started doing something different along with my study. I make my mind that I will focus on my English speaking practice and communication skills as well, because it is also important, because while we are study continuously, so we do not participate in any kind of activity, so it makes us underconfident. At the same time, we forget our skills. So with study we should always do any kind of activity, or to any skills we should always keep learn to improve or better becoming our better selves. I started practicing English not because that I'm already perfect. I know a sort of English, and I am a little bit like used to of talking English, but not at a pro level. I just want my communication skill to look like in a decent way, that I can communicate without without feeling blank or without a short of words. I just want that my words flow smoothly, so that I may look like confident speaker like this. Because because these practice makes me feel alive along with my study. So, and I do not get bored, and I find that I am becoming more productive towards my study, towards learning any kind of new skills. So it keeps me engaging as well. My mind try to adapt a new sort of activity in daily curriculum or daily part of my routine. And during my study, when I'll have to take a break, then I'll start to speaking in English, try to make small sentence or any new phrases, collocations, and I just randomly talk about my daily routine, that what I did from morning till I woke up to till yet, that what I am doing. So I just keep trying to say in English in front of the mirror or in front of the camera aloud. Yes. So I keep talking about my day, my thoughts, my feelings. And honestly, this small habits helps me a lot mentally. It makes my day feel productive without making me feel trapped inside, because watching books or notes continuously exhausted me. Because when you start preparing for the exams, so your life or your daily routine sounds or seems like in repetitive mode, that you are doing again and again that only that things. And yes, sometimes it's like I feel like that what I am really doing to sitting in a room with books and only me alone. So this habit keep me give me a little joy, I must say. So having something peaceful besides studies, like learning English, journaling your whole day, your thoughts, your feelings, and reading a self improvement or any sort of books which you like, or just documenting your journey keeps your mind fresh. And the best part is, instead of just scrolling on phone or Instagram or any social media platform, we just engage ourselves to improve little by little every single day by practicing English. And honestly, I I am not fluent yet. I just keep learning slowly, but one thing I know is that I am becoming better every single day, little by little. And to be honest, this is enough for me right now because I think these efforts making me better every single day. So I just wanted to say that if you are also feeling burnout of doing something, so just start any skills you wanted to learn for a long time. And if you are also practicing English, so just start speaking it aloud at least 5 to 10 minutes. Start with the small habits, then slowly and gradually increase your time. And yes, don't be hard on yourself. So let's keep practicing English together. Find your topic, find your way to improve your English as well. If you like my techniques or if you like my journey, so please like my videos and subscribe to the channel if you are new to this channel. And like this, we'll meet another day with another topic to improve ourselves. Till then, bye bye, take care.